Hi there.
Hi.
Today we're going to be doing a first look and unboxing of this Vanity makeup mirror with more than one magnification setting. And so Csilla is going to be the one that shows us what's inside the box. Oh, it comes in pink and white. So,
Makeup mirror.
fancy box.
Love it. Love the box already.
And here's the first look. Comes nicely packed.
Yeah, it's nice bubble wrap. Very firm bubble wrap. 2 parts to it.
To get perspective, it's smaller than a MacBook.
It is. It's like a tablet, maybe. Tablet size. I like how it was packed, nice and tight. Now, I already like the size and the color of it. Very relaxing, very clean. Ooh la la. There it is.
Okay, I see that. Let's see, our 2 times magnification mirror, our 3 times magnification mirror, and there's supposed to be one that's more than that or something too, but I don't know exactly how that works. Here's the 10 times magnification.
And here's the stand that was still in the box. There you go, you can kind of click it in. Let's see if it's charged.
Okay.
Nope, it's not charged. So we have to charge it before we can show you what the LEDs look like. So far, my first impression is very positive. As I can see already, there's a little hole on the bottom. That's where I plug it in. Then, with the USB, I'm going to go ahead and charge it. I already love the size of it.
What inspired you to get this?
I really don't have a good makeup mirror in the bathroom, and I wanted to get one with lights on. My eyes are not the best anymore, so I always have to kind of squint to see myself in the bathroom mirror. So I wanted one that is easy to look at, that I can put on the table.
Can you face it this way so I can see the magnification? So let's look in the mirror so we can see the regular. Face the 2 times towards me. There we go.
Okay.
Okay, and you can really see a lot of magnification even in the 2 times setting. There you go. Okay, and then the 3 times magnification. Okay, so there you can see the difference between the 2 and the 3 times magnification and the 1 time magnification. Okay, and the other side gives you just another viewpoint,
angle,
right?
Just kind of another angle, and I love it. Look how beautiful. It stands just like that.
So you like it? You're happy with it?
I do. I wanted something that I can actually close so it's not all day long. I don't have a lot of room in my little place. So I like that I can close it so my kids, even if they run into it, you know, they won't break it. So I love that. I love the stand. You can put little things in the stand. So I think I will have my mascara. I'm just ready to put makeup on. So a mascara, some tweezers, and a couple more things there. 10 times. It's here.
So now we've got a view of the 10 times on the lips. And yeah, this is like incredibly close. You can see all of the details. It's probably hard for you to see in this video because it's so close.
It also has this suction cup, so I assume that you can just suction cup it to the regular mirror. Okay,
so now we've got it turned on. Let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like when you turn the LED lights on. All right. So you can see here, even though I'm not somebody who wears makeup, I have to admit that it looks pretty.
I love the whole thing. I suppose the right thing too.
Is it the same size that you thought it would be?
Yeah, it's the perfect size. I have to put it on a little taller table. I can already see that, but that's okay. A dresser table, makeup table, I think that's perfect like that.
So we also just discovered that it can use batteries, right?
Yes, 4 AAAs.
Final looks. So there you have it. That is the Makeup Vanity mirror. And Csilla demoed it for us. It seems like you're pretty happy with it.
I'm very happy with it. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And we'll see you next time.
Thank you.